Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write an essay, My Hobby. Let's get started. Hobby is a work that we do in our spare time. Stamp collecting, painting, photography, and gardening are some popular hobbies. Gardening is my favorite hobby. It is a cheap hobby. I have a small grassy plot adjacent to my house. I have grown there different types of plants. I water them twice a day. I remove all kinds of weeds there. After some days, the flower buds become ready. They bloom after a few days. I enjoy their sweet smell. I look after them with care and love. I decorate my drawing room with them. I give some flowers to my friends as gift. This hobby gives me much pleasure. Greenery and flowers are great blessing of Allah. I like my hobby very much. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.